A goodbye meal. Jesus healed sick people and fed hungry people. He loved outcasts and taught everyone about God's kingdom. But the religious leaders didn't like his teaching and were jealous of him. They hated Jesus so much that they decided to have him killed. They gave 30 pieces of silver to Judas, one of Jesus' disciples, to hand Jesus over to them. Then Jesus and his disciples celebrate the Passover. While they ate, Jesus said sadly, "One of you will betray me." Surprised, they each replied, "It's not me, Lord." "It's true," said Jesus. "One of you eating here will betray me." "Not me, Lord," said Judas. "You know it is," Jesus replied. "Go, do it quickly." So Judas left. Jesus took bread and thanked God for it. He broke it, gave it to his disciples and said, "Remember me when you eat this. It's my body given for you." Then Jesus picked up a cup and thanked God for it. "Everyone drink from this cup," he said. "This is my blood, poured out so that sins may be forgiven." Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. When they had finished eating, Jesus and his disciples sang a hymn together. Then they walked to the Garden of Gethsemane to pray. Jesus told the disciples to remember him when eating what kind of food.